Alright guys, Nemesis X8. Now, I am using the Newbie Drone Flow 1407, I think. Yeah, 1408, my bad, 1408, 4150 kV. I know there were some problems with them, but I know what those problems are and know how to mitigate them, so I'm going to try my luck. Nemesis 3-inch. We've been, Matt and I have been working on this idea for a little while. I know other micro X8s have come out recently, but I think we're on the right track. We're going to attempt to make some pretty light ones. So, before I start with the soldering, and all the fun stuff, I'm using two T-motor cinematic 30 amp, two T-motor cinematic 30 amp ESCs, Maytech F7 20x20, and it's got 8 ports. And I'm going to just do the basic soldering for the bottom part in part 1 here, and maybe for the top motors. I'm going to be watching a few live streams, so I'm also doing a hyperlapse as well. So, we'll see how this goes. First recorded build video that I have a chance to edit. So, let's see how we go. I'm just tinning everything right now, as I'm sure you guys know. My steel wool is way over there because it started leaking little shards of solder on my desk, which I didn't want to get stuck in any motors. So now it's over on the other side. Well, that was super quick. Super yummy little blobbies. Yummy, yummy, shiny little blobbies. There we go. Now, I'll say this, you guys might notice my soldering iron's just at 400. I've never really needed much more than that. A lot of people crank theirs up to 450, but as long as you keep the tip proper and let it warm up nice, then I've never had any issues. So, that one's already done. Nice blobbies. Blobby, blobby, blobbies. Oh, the camera's not focusing. Oh well. Blobby, blobby, blobbies. Alright, well, while I'm at it, I am going to tin the secondary. Alright. Alright. So, I'm all tinned. That literally took not even 5 minutes. So, that's how easy that is, guys, if you do it proper. And that way, getting it all done really quick saves the board. The board will get screwed up if you leave the heat on it for a bit too long. Often I will take a break after each side if it's been larger pads, but since these are little 20 by 20s, they take no time at all. So, I've now got 2 ESCs fully tinned, ready to go. Both still cold enough to touch. And there we go. So, I now have to wire in the harness. I'm going to try and do that a very specific way. So, let's see, do I have any bigger ones? I don't want XT60, but I want thicker wires. These are all pretty beefy, okay. Alright. Now, what I am going to attempt to do is skin just a little bit of this off here. Now, I will have to turn back on the live stream pretty soon because Michael Rollins tonight is having Mr. John Eska on, and I like both of them. So, alright, what I'm doing right now is I'm obviously splicing above where we would normally splice, because I'm going to try and just slide this silicone down a little bit and see what I can do about getting both the wires on the same ESC input pad. Separate just there in the spot. There we go. built up, tinned up the ESCs and set jumpers. I'm going to put caps on later, just because that's going to be my final step, just to go over everything and make sure everything's properly soldered. But right now, let's see, I'm going to try and fit everything, just dry fit everything. Alright. Well guys, I'm going to have to cut this short. This is just part one, obviously. I am going to... Wow. Okay. So I'm going to need some spacers on this. Oh, not too much though. Oh, excellent. I'm going to get... Let's see. Alright, bin of spare gank parts. Here we go. Let's see. Let me pull the soldering iron away now. So I'm done with that. I will be soldering the motors and everything on tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully I'll get some time to do a little bit of a build video for that. Let's see. Camera screws. I know there's a spot in here somewhere. Hey, there we go. Get off of there. You're not the one I wanted. That one. There it is. Oh. Apparently these are countersunk to the other type, so I'm going to grab one of them too. There we go. I need the longer ones because the turtle has it sunken in. I see, said the blind man as he walked into the wall. Oh, wait, no I don't. Ha 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 ha. Turtle also becomes a nano. Forgot about that. Case comes right off. So, that is perfect actually. That is what this frame was designed for. No moss, where are you? You're not the one I want. Get off my thing. I know I have more of that when I put them in here. There we go. Use one of these. They're just fine. two different size head screws here, so, but I don't care. I found what I was looking for, and that's what I needed. Get in your home. There we go. Whoop. That's not good. Just an end cap. That lens cap back on so there's no damage. Dry fit the top piece and then call it done for the night. Oh, it's just barely gonna fit. Oh, that's gonna be wicked. So, Caddx Baby Turtle fits like a glove. So, at least we'll have HD DVR. Alright guys, I'm going to go in and finish the soldering and everything tomorrow, hopefully. Obviously might end up being in the same video because I might not have time to edit anything tonight. So I might have just edited it all together. We'll see. Alright. Okay, Nemesis X8. Let's do this. Alright, have a good day.